Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Simplified, where we break down the latest tech how-tos in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling how to change currency in PayPal for 2025. Whether you're traveling abroad, dealing with international payments, or just want to switch your default currency, this step-by-step guide will get you sorted quickly and easily. PayPal has made some updates in 2025 to streamline the process, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on a desktop or mobile app. It's the safest way to handle settings. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile icon or the settings gear, depending on the interface. This will take you to your account settings page. Next, look for the Currency or Language and Currency section. In the 2025 update, PayPal has made this more prominent, so it should be easy to spot under Account Preferences. Click on that, and you'll see a list of available currencies based on your location and PayPal's supported regions. Remember, not all currencies are available everywhere, so double-check what's offered. Now, select the currency you want to switch to. For example, if you're changing from USD to EUR, just click on it from the drop-down menu. PayPal might prompt you with a confirmation message, especially if this could affect ongoing transactions or your balance. Go ahead and confirm the change. It's usually instant, but keep an eye out for any verification steps like entering a code sent to your email or phone. After you've made the switch, it's a good idea to review your account summary to ensure everything looks correct. One quick tip: changing your currency doesn't convert your existing balance, it just sets the default for future transactions. If you have funds in another currency, you might need to handle conversions separately to avoid fees. And that's it, you've successfully updated your currency in PayPal for 2025. This simple tweak can make your online shopping or international transfers a breeze. If you run into any issues, PayPal's Help Center is always there, or feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.